Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, I'm going to start this blue. I call it a blue flower mandala. It's a circle, so not real sure what else to call it. We will be starting on this side of the canvas, and the color that I'm using is 939. So yeah. So what's everybody up to? Anybody got any grand plans for this weekend? Going anywhere? Doing anything? Well, today I'm going to go with my daughter, so I'm doing this early. We're going to go up and check out the leaves and see how they're looking. And then we're going to go to lunch. She's going to take me to lunch because it was my birthday. And she had to work. Oh, no, she didn't have to work. She had to go to a doctor's appointment on my birthday. I had to work. Oh, yeah, it was fabulous. Yesterday was even more fabulous, I'm telling you. She got called into work because 7 people where she worked called in sick. They're all ill. I don't know what anybody has. But, yeah, she worked, like 11-ish or more to 3 o'clock. She said she was going to work. So, fun times. And then I got to work, and the order had already been delivered, and we had we had the boss and the other person that works, during the day, and the person that works the mid shift there, and me. So that was all kind of crazy, and we got everything all put away, and everybody left, and the mid shift person, they got off at 4. So yeah, fun times. It was busy as crap all evening long. I barely had time to do all my stuff. There is a hair there somewhere. I can feel it. And, yeah. I got home by about 9:20, so it wasn't too late. I was thrilled sick to get the heck out of there. This is one of those newer kits, and it came with very fine, thin needles. So, that's kind of cool. I just noticed that they're thinner than the regular ones we've been getting in kits. So, maybe it'll stitch faster. Who knows? But yeah, I just thought, well, we'll start with this one, and I may start any of those other 2 at any point. I'm not real sure. But this one was nice and small, so yay. I didn't have time to put it on the thread cards on the hook thing, the ring, the shower curtain ring thing. Jeez, I don't know what else to call them, because that's what they actually are. So I just thought I'd start here on this outside edge. It looked like it had a good distance to go. But yeah, I was just absolutely fried last night. Just totally done. I came home. I had gone to the grocery store earlier yesterday morning, like I said I was going to go. And I got some chicken strips. They're already made in the deli, of course, with their hot food. So I had 2 of them before I went to work yesterday, and then I had a couple when I got home, because I was starving, and it just better heat up in the microwave really quick. Yeah. It was, yeah, something else, and I kept messing up on the computer, and oh, it was just one stupid thing after another. What can I say? my goodness. But I was glad to get home and do nothing. I just sat there and vegged in front of Netflix and watched something that I had seen before, and I was just watching it like I had never seen it before, because I just basically couldn't move. So, fun times. Oh my goodness. Some days. So hopefully next week it won't be very busy. I'm sure we got a lot of people coming in to look at the leaves, and they've been burning stuff, you know, having like controlled burns in the forests. And yeah, fun times. They even put up a sign that says, please do not call 911, this is a controlled burn, and I wonder how many people followed those instructions. But you really couldn't see where it was at. Mostly you could see smoke more than anything, you know. And it was just kind of floating across the mountains, but it didn't come from any one place. So, yeah, they do that every once in a while. Clear out the, hang on, I got a place for that needle. I can't believe how thin that needle is. And, you know, to get the, I'll call it the underbrush, if you will, out of there. But, because it gets to be a little much. Oh well, and we put up with it. It didn't smell as smoky yesterday as it did the day before. So, that was a good thing. Because I would walk outside to go check the trash or help a customer or something, and it was just not, it smelled like the fire was next door, you know, with all that smoke hanging in the air. And of course, you know, there was no wind, so that was good, because we don't need anything else other than what they're doing, catching on fire. Thank you very much. Gosh. So I guess we'll check out the leaves today, and of course the thrift store and the restore, and see if they have anything. And if the leaves are good, then we'll go Saturday with the grandkids to take the pictures. So, something to look forward to. We might have 2 outings this week, but not sure. The leaves are starting to turn a lot more on the mountain. You can kind of see them. So, it's a good thing. We didn't want to have to go up in the hills, because my daughter's, number one, her tires aren't really good. And there's something wrong with, I'll call them U-joints. I don't know. They need to be changed, fixed, something to that caliber. I don't know. I'm not the mechanic of the family. I leave that stuff to my son and my son-in-law. They're the car fixers. So, yay! So I'm excited to go to, you know, the thrift store here in town, and also the restore, and see if there's anything exciting and new there. I'm also looking for an end table for the other side of my bed, and like a smallish type lamp, if I can find one. Of course, then I'll have to find a, what do you call those things? Oh, dude, tell me. Lampshade. Jeez. Because I don't have any spares. And I don't think my daughter was too excited to go to Walmart. That's 45 minutes away. So we'll see how that all plays out. And you might get a nature video later. if, you know, all goes well. So we'll see. We'll see how that all plays out. But I'm taking my tripod with me, and of course my phone, which aka the camera. Yeah, I've decided that I can't afford a like $1,500 camera, so we'll just keep using the phone. It's served me well. So oh goodness, this just looks so easy to do, except for, you know, when you get into that confetti. But we'll do the bigger parts first. That's just the way I roll in. I am not putting B5200 all the way around this thing. That won't be happening at all. I can tell you that for sure. Because, you know, I'll be doing just really well, whoops, just to get the inside done. Yeah. But I do love all these colors of shades of blue, because blue's my favorite color. Yep. Whoops. Oh, goodness. Made myself a cup of jasmine green tea today, just because I really wasn't in a coffee type of mood. But I set it way behind me on my, what do you call it, my storage boxes back here. That just sounded really good. And it hasn't been real terribly cold in the mornings, you know, this past week, because it was 79 degrees yesterday, so very close to 80. All right, let me get that down there. Get that run through something so it anchored in. But I didn't want to have too long of a video, but I just wanted to do a stitch with me. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.